Hi, welcome again. This part 2 of mastering conditional. In this episode, we're going to show you how you can use that on other elements which are not directly linked or involved with that number. For an example, I just want to put in an image and I want this image to be displayed when a certain conditional is reached. For an example, with the previous conditional which we did, the number changes color, and also on other cases the number or the gauge bar changes color when a certain number which we have made a condition to is met. But in this case, I want an image to be displayed when a certain condition is met. So yeah, so as I did, I've just insert the image element there, and I'll go to upload. Let me see if I can get a nice image to show there. Yeah, there you go. So I just want this trophy to be met when a certain condition is met. So on this image, I go to conditional, and then I go to when. Go do search for. As you can see on the previous episode, I showed you how to create this data type, which is score. So it's fine. Go to score, and then go to first item, and that first item I want it to be linked to the number. And then when is 1, when is 1 is sorry, when 1, this image is displayed. The reason why I said 1 is because for me 100 is like 1, and on my that's how I set up my database, as I showed you in the previous one. This one is like 45%, this one is 71%, so 100% would be like a whole 1. I did this because when we export to Excel, it's better to work on that file in Excel and do other calculations, even though you can do a formula, convert it back to whatsoever. But for me, I always want to put percentages into like a 0.0. But here on the front end, where the customer or the user will be seeing the like in percentage format. So yeah, when it's 1, this one will be visible. But if you can see, if I test it, let's see, you can test. If I test it, you'll see the first number is not 1, it's not 100%, but the image is visible. This is because this particular image is showing when the page is loaded automatically. So this condition does not override this one, this first input, or this first thing which is selected. So what I need to do is to untick it, so mean that when the page is loaded, this element will be invisible, but then the system will check, oh okay, the condition, and check if it's met. If it's yes, it's met, then it will make it visible. So let's go back, refresh. It is not there, so it's fine. You saw that it's not there. So now we just want to quickly go and change the first number on the what I call on the database, which is the whole one. Quickly, when it says 100%, now it's visible. Let's go change it to something 0.99 is close. Maybe it will round it off. Let's see. Nope, doesn't round it off. It is not there. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. To use conditional to make other images to be shown or not displayed. You can also use other things, even if they are objects and whatsoever, not or shapes or videos. If you want a video to play, if your user reach a certain score. That's about it, guys. I'll see you on the next episode. But I'm going to drop off these breadcrumbs all over until I will be able to build this particular page for you. So we're going to have a video. It's going to be a longer version where it shows you how to build. If you can see, the first user is number 1. This leaderboard has an image, so that put a condition that this image will be displayed if the what do you call it, the um index, sorry, when a certain index is this number, this shows. When a certain index is number 2, this one shows. When index is number, it's like this. This is basically on a repeating table, but I will do a thorough breakdown, proper breakdown for you. We're going to do a video step by step on how to build it. Maybe your app will need that if most probably in a sales space and you're building an app for sales. That would be very helpful. Or you're just building like a game or something like that which needs that. I'll show you how to do that.